Is that... How the fuck did Greco end up with my car?
He's a little fuck, that's how.
God damn it, why don't you just let Marcano handle this jackass?
Marcano would just kill the little shit stain. I want to take my time. Besides, until I can get at Marcano directly, this is the next best goddamn thing.
Point taken.
Swear to God, this little shit's like a bad penny. Bridge work. He's running.
Fuck, god damn it! The fuck are you?
Let's get him the fuck out of here. The cops are closing in.
Hey, get the door.
Yeah. Come on.
Code 3-5, suspicious person and vehicle. Responding unit.
You're gonna have to shake these corn-potent redneck motherfuckers.
What happened?
You crossed the wrong motherfucker, that's what happened. Now shut the fuck up! Shit! Real police incoming!
You want help? You want money? I can get you assholes money.
Cops are still on us. Lose them, Lincoln.
Responding unit. Visual contact with suspect lost. All units be advised. Suspect located. On-scene units engaging. Responding unit.
Back to your place.
Yeah. Pull around to the chum shack in the back. And as for you, have a little dignity. Christ.
Help! Somebody fucking help! Help!
Watch out for cops. Don't want to get pulled over with this asshole in the back seat. Whew, shit. For a couple of years there, I really thought I might be done with all the Jimmy Cagney bullshit. But here I am.
Ronnie, I kind of figured you for more the Edward G. Robinson type. Please! I didn't do nothing!
Didn't do nothing. You were getting ready to fucking kill me.
I was just doing what Uncle Sal told me to do.
Nah, that fuck never liked me, I get it. But this? You never tried anything like this before.
I don't...
Come on, Mikey, why do you want me gone all of a sudden?
He said you were a carpetbagger. Never should have been down here in the first place.
WNBX.
French Ward for good eats and good times. Come on down to Corley's for the family fun deal. With any 2 adult plates, all kids' plates are free. And grown-ups, Friday and Saturday night, take your receipts over to Big Mouse for half off your first drink order. Only in the French Ward.
Give me a ticket for an aeroplane. Ain't got time to take a fast train. Lonely days are gone, I'm a going home. My baby just wrote me a letter. I don't care how much money I gotta spend. Got to get back to my baby again. Lonely days are gone, I'm a going home. My baby just wrote me a letter. When she wrote me a letter, said she couldn't live without me no more. Listen, mister, can't you see I got to get back to my baby once more? Anyway, yeah, give me a ticket for an aeroplane. Ain't got time to take a fast train. Lonely days are gone, I'm a going home. My baby just wrote me a letter. When she wrote me a letter, said she couldn't live without me no more. Listen, mister, can't you see I got to get back to my baby once more? Anyway, yeah, give me a ticket for an aeroplane. Ain't got time to take a fast train. Lonely days are gone, I'm a going home. My baby just wrote me a letter. Oh, my baby just wrote me a letter.
Telling it like it is, New Bordeaux.
WNBX.
This is WNBX 790.
In a white room with black curtains near the station,
Who we shooting?
Didn't you hear? We're about to find ourselves in the middle of a race war.
I've seen you shoot. I think I'll be all right.
Hey, with this fucking rifle, I'm Wild Bill Hickok. So, how's the Padre handling all this? You know, the bloody path of mayhem and revenge you've embarked upon?
Still not happy about it. Thinks you're most likely the devil.
You know, I had a look at his service record. Oh, settle down. I was just curious. He was a medic, but he saw action at Klimbaugh with the 614th. He was credited with taking out 2 Kraut tanks on top of the 16 men he shot. A lot of killing for a would-be priest.
That was different. It was during a war.
And this isn't? Look, I'm just saying, we didn't win that war by worrying about hurting someone's feelings. We won it by bombing the Krauts and Nips back to the Stone Age. Padre'd be wise to remember that.
Yeah, maybe. I'll catch you later.
You're not still sore about me looking... I'm betting Vito's probably... Sal's every... Jesus, everything here is either fried, covered in sugar, or both.
Oh, yes. Point for Dunn's favorite son, Thomas Burke.
How's he doing since Danny?
9 weeks ago, Burke stumbles into Roman the Butcher Barbiere's deli, drunk off his ass, waving a gun around. He fires off 10 rounds, but the only thing he manages to hit is a fucking ham hock in the goddamn deli case. The butcher's boys slap the shit out of him and toss him in a dumpster.
Barbieri is the one who took over Point Verdun, right? Busted up Burke's leg with a tire iron.
That's why Burke was willing to go along with the robbery. He thought it'd make things square with Sal, and he'd be able to get Point Verdun back.
He always struck me as an asshole.
Yeah, just like every other Irishman. But he hates Marcano as much as you do.
Yeah, all right. Least I can do is give Danny's old man a chance for a little payback. Oh, fucking hell.
He's been spending his time in a dive bar up in Point Verdun. Duffy's, it's called. Shouldn't be too hard to find.
Yo, you better be worth all this trouble.
This weekend only at Holmes. It's the 25% off sale. 25% off the entire stock of women.
Fries and one of our famous malted milkshakes. All for 25 cents this week only. Only at Hank's Burger Bar, America's favorite carry-out restaurant since 1932.
Grace, what's your secret? Secret? To staying so slim and attractive. I don't think you put on a pound since high school. Well, I have to keep Bob happy. Yes, but how do you do it? With this. It gives me a lift. A lovely boost of energy. But Swift tastes so good, and it's so refreshing. Yes, but an individual serving of it has no more calories than a grapefruit. Really? Yes, ma'am. And Swift's delicious taste is so satisfying, and the bubbles are so filling, it keeps me from eating something that might put on the pounds. That's your secret? Swift Cola? Here, have one.
Everyone loves Swift Cola's sparkling clean taste. Nothing refreshes better on a hot summer day. Buy it by the bottle, buy it by the case.
That icy cold one. That fizzy cold one. That bubbly fun one. That sippy thin one. Swift, when you need refreshment.
It starts in the hills, where crystal clear water bubbles up from clean mountain springs. Stoltz, as fresh as a mountain waterfall. Crisp, clean, always refreshing. It's the beer you want when you want more than one. Order a couple cold ones at your local tavern, or pick up a six-pack at your favorite store.
Burke. Been a while.
Lincoln Clay. Jesus Christ on the cross. Now, it's in everything. I heard you were dead.
Been hearing that a lot.
The fuck do you want?
Came here to make you a business proposition.
Is that so?
I'm going after Marcano, his brothers, anyone else that's associated with him.
You want my help?
The way I see it, once we deal with Barbieri, you get Point Verdun back. After that, we can discuss what happens to the rest of the city.
No, fuck off. Involved chalky bastards once already. Look where it got me.
From where I'm standing, I'm not seeing much of a difference between then and now.
You listen, and you listen, God, you fuck. Danny was so burned up, the coroner wouldn't let me get a last look. If anyone's killing that fucking Marcano, it's me.
Unless Marcano's hanging around one of these dive bars, I don't think he has too much to worry about.
Yeah, go fuck yourself. You got more stones in the likes of you there are fucking off. A fucking ingrate. Coming to your question, me. You and your kind, you caught 10 wrong at the first sign of trouble. You always have, you always will. Fucking keys.
Move over, or I'll move you over.
What the Christ you think you're doing?
You were bragging about your stones, so I figured we'd take a little ride. See who cracks first, the Chalky or the Mick. You ain't proving nothing.
Christ, you're gonna make the piss come out of me, James, eh? all right. You proved your point, you mongrel sap. Pull over here. Now, get the fuck out of my ride. Stop by me shop. We can talk business there.
Be kidding me, man.
This is the hottest speak. And tonight we talking about this phrase I keep hearing people throwing around. Race war.
Back so soon, then?
Tell me about Barbieri.
Barbieri? He's a right fucking cunt. I can tell you that much.
You know what I'm asking, Burke. Give me something I can use.
Barbieri's running Splow out of the Sweetwater Distillery.
Splow?
Painter's piss. White mule. Alley gin. Poachine. Moonshine. You ignorant fuck. Christ, what kind of booze you people drink over there in Darkyville?
Kinda's not called painter's piss.
Boy, you ain't lived. Set the whole thing up myself. And that gunny fuck comes in and takes it from me. Smashes me knee all to hell. Barbieri's gonna suffer. You hear? Dies. Slow.
What else has he got besides the distillery?
Aye, runs that old Robert O. slaughterhouse. He's doing more in there than cutting a lean ribeye. Drags in there. That's the end of you.
I'll do the heavy lifting on this, Burke. Once Barbieri's dead, I'm counting on you to step up.
I'll do more than step up. I'll either be running this whole damn town or burning it to the ground. But honest, it'll make a whole lot of difference to me either way. A nation, come on, once again. A nation once again. And Ireland long, a province be a nation once again.
Lincoln, over here.
Surprised to see you, Nikki.
I know what you're planning on doing, and I couldn't just sit here and watch my old man send you out half-cocked. Fuck.
Well, your dad's never been much for details.
Yeah, what he didn't tell you is that the man running the Sweetwater Distillery is named Carl Bevers. Hard-ass, country asshole. His family runs the shine through the business, sells it to local shops.
Bevers ever let on to where he keeps his stills?
He's got brains enough to move things around. Rumor is he's got a map hid somewhere for his drivers.
Something like that could come in handy. Maybe I'll convince one of his men to tell me where it is.
Hey, we've got another man, goes by the name of Bear, keeping an eye on the meatpacking plant. You should go see him.
I'll do that. Thanks for the help.
Anytime, Lincoln. You want to know what Bevers is up to? When he boxed, they used to call him Brooklyn Bevers, on account that he'd hit some poor fuckers so hard, they'd feel it all the way in Brooklyn.
Barbieri's got you covered with beef, lamb, pork, and poultry. Plus, we got the biggest, juiciest chicken breast you've ever seen on sale for only 39 cents a pound. Right now, right now. Stuffed with crab meat, oysters, or my big balls of boudin. Barbieri's Deli.
Got no fucking idea. Shot is fucking shot. I don't care what those cone asses in the bayou.
wait to hit the sack, man. I'm beat.
Swear I heard something.
Thank you, Lord.
Am I imagining things?
What?
This boy's in heaven now.
Consider it done. What? Go see what we're dealing with.
One of our guys is down.
What happened to this dead motherfucker? Get out where I can see it. Hey! Hey!
Got you now, dipshit!
Fucking take me!
What's going on?
Am I imagining things? You still breathing over there?
Huh?
Say something if you're okay! Hey!
Fresh corpse over here.
hell is gunning for us? Where'd he go?
Huh?
Where you at?
So he turns to me and Birdie and says he calls it the meat wagon. That's when Birdie knows. What really happened to Glenn? Anyway, Butcher grins that fucking grin
God
of his
damn
and
it, he
says,
got another one!
Either you Shit! Give me a hand, now!
Grabbing cover!
Right here. Help me.
Should have never come back to New Bordeaux. Lord, that fucking hurts! I'll flush him out! One of our boys! I'm empty! This is not what I signed up for. Cycle back, see if he's over there.
Sound of New Bordeaux. WVC 1150.
You're gonna tell me everything about Beva's business.
All the cash we bring in from selling hooch, I know where it's being stashed.
Rest in peace, asshole. Need some wheels, and Burke says you're the only person we're talking to about it.
Well, Burke's a fucking genius in that regard. I'll head on out to you now.
Here's your car, boss.
Appreciate it.
Pleased to meet you. Hope you can smile.
It don't seem right. You didn't hear? Stupid fuck got in deep to Barbieri. Last seen heading to Robideau's. Truth, you'd think. But if he did, we wouldn't be having this conversation.
If you can't feel it right, they'll find someone else who can. Show. Blackface bullshit. One of them games on the Midway might as well have been picking crap. Pete's sake. And it's best if you don't refer to me as it's worse than me calling you an impotent toothless ass.
Well, I guess when you put it like that, I can see what all the fuss was about. I got enough to worry about.
Hey, man.
Grenade! Take him down! Got him! Overhead! Barbecue that bastard! Molotov going out!
Just fucking die
I don't fucking miss.
drop it like a...
Covering my ass. Shouldn't have come here. Fuck! Reload!
California, Students for Democratic Society held a mass gathering demanding the disarmament of all police forces.
Bevis can't be happy about what you got Carl's attention. He's back at the Sweetwater Distillery.
Any idea how he'll react when I go in there?
He's bug shit crazy swamp people. How do you think he'll react? Still, might be worth keeping him around. No one knows the bayou like he does.
Owe you one for this, Nikki.
Damn right you do. Bevis is waiting for you. Real interested to see how you handle him. When this bullshit with my old man's through, you and me should talk.
What's happening?
It didn't jump, Manny.
Time is up, motherfucker! Make way, boys! get to. I ain't ever gonna stop looking.
You better be fucking gone!
Hey, brah. Hey. You okay?
Oh! 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 Oh!
Must have run off. God damn it! He got another one!
Got you now! I'm ducking down!
You...
I see him!
Look at all the blood. I'm ducking down!
Found him!
Fucking incompetence! Getting out of the line of fire! Can't be happening. This ain't right. Fuck you and fuck Bark!
You talk too much. Emptied out the distillery. It's primed and ready for your boys.
Offer's still standing. My boys are on the way. Snatch that slaughterhouse from him, and that fuck Barbieri will have to react.
Thomas Burke came to the States as a boy when his father fled Ireland, likely because of his involvement in the Irish Civil War. After his father died of a heart attack, Burke started running booze to support himself. I mean, he turned bootlegging into an entire industry, and Sal Marcano took notice. Burke worked his way up the ranks, but could never be made because he wasn't Italian.
Hollis Dupree, the white resident of Southdown, who allegedly killed 2 colored men in self-defense in front of his home, has been arrested. According to Dupree's defense attorney, pressure from local civil rights leaders and growing national attention on the case is what motivated the DA to file charges. The Korean War veteran has been released on bail pending trial. Dupree is accused of killing Vietnam veterans.
Greetings and salutations, and all that shite.
You Bear? Nikki sent me.
Oh, gonna marry that girl someday. Bear Donnelly. I own Nicky's everything. He has me keeping an eye on the Roberto meatpacking plant.
Who's running things over there?
Nutjob by the name of Sonny Blue. Lets a room out to the butcher's loan sharks. Protection guys, too. If they can't do it there, they put the hurt to people in the street.
Any chance Sonny's around the Roberto?
Fuck no. Sonny only comes around to scare his people into shape. But I'm hearing one of his boys, a fella named Ralph, got caught skimming. They're working the bloody bastard over in the slaughterhouse to find out where he's got it stashed. Might be beneficial to pull his arse out of the fire.
I'll see what I can get out of Sonny's goons. Watch your ass, Bear.
Sonny Blue's people are scared of him. Heard you made life hell for Carl at the distillery. Let's see if you can do the same to Sonny Blue.